Catherine Bernardo update is a posting Mami Min, and na-miss niya si Catherine and Q not Lexin. Sabi dito, you are the love of my life, my heart's greatest joy and pride. Each you and is the blessing I thank God for every single day. Always remember you come from a line of strong women who love personally and live fully, and you are never alone. My love is always with you, wrap around you like the softest quilt, and no matter where you are, I love you, my girls, my cucumber, my Lexi, and my bunso, Katim Bernardo. Yan, no? And happy family, Bernardo. Siyempre, nakakamiss yung bonding nila. So, ito pa, mga endorsement ni Catherine, gaya ng Cream Set at Uratex, and Catherine, endorser namin. Cute. So, ito pa yung mga endorser ni Catherine for Pure Foods, Pinoy favorite at TNT. Busy si Catherine. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is with short reaction vlogs. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.